Chinese internet companies are raring to list overseas in a frenzied way following the recent listings in the US of RenRen and Youku, that's China's versions of Facebook and YouTube. But as Reuters correspondent Kathy Yang reports, the piping hot internet sector in China may be cooling off real soon, even before everyone else gets to list in the market.
First, there was RenRen, China's version of Facebook. Shares jumped 24% on its first trading day in the U.S. A week later, shares closed below its IPO price. And then there's Chinese online dating site Jieyuan.com International. It raised $78 million at the Nasdaq, but its shares fell on the day it listed.
And we are now in growth, and we're getting to starvation phase.
It's difficult to see beyond that growth phase when previous Chinese internet listings in the U.S. have done so well. Internet search engine Baidu and Youku, China's version of YouTube, have both chalked up triple-digit percentage gains since their IPOs. Their stellar run whetting investors' appetites for such offerings.
And we're talking about a sector that is piping hot in the U.S., where media reports peg Facebook valuations at anywhere between $70 and $100 billion, making it worth more than companies such as Boeing. There are more knocking on Wall Street's doors. Chinese online video website Tudou Holdings says its U.S. IPO is still in the works despite delays. And then there's Alibaba Group's Taobao and 360buy.com, both large but unlisted Chinese internet companies. Mr. Won warns, after all the good companies get listed, the bad ones will start showing up, an ominous sign for the sector.
You will see a lot of the private companies who will receive lofty valuation. They start to making those plans, and before those plans are being realized, the bubble will burst.
But unlike in the dot-com crash in 2000, the scale of a China internet bubble bursting is much smaller. That's because the capital involved is tinier, says Mr. Won. What analysts have yet to agree on is when exactly China's internet bubble will burst. For ET Now, Kathy Yang, Reuters TV, Hong Kong.